Namaskara, welcome back to my channel. Today you have to find values of inverse functions from graph. The graph is given here. For the first question, the function f of x is invertible. You have to find f inverse of 1. Look at the graph properly. Function f of x is given. Using this graph, you have to find f inverse of 1. Find f inverse of 1. What is a function? A function is a rule that sends each input exactly one output. That is, for f of x is equal to y means this is a function. Here x is input. For each input, that is for each value of x, it produces exactly one value of y. That is called function. For the function, you see the value of x first, then you will find the value of y. Output, you will find y, that is output. For function to be invertible, the function is invertible means each possible value of output is produced by exactly one input. To find inverse function, you have to first find the value of y, that is output. Using output, but that is y value, you have to find input, that is x value. Here we are asked to find f inverse of 1. Let's take f inverse of 1 as a. You have to find a here. So here 1 is output, that is our y. You have to find input, that is y value of x. So f inverse of 1 is equal to a. This means f of a is equal to 1. That means here a is our input, which is x value. 1 is our output, which is y value. So here we know output, y value. You have to find input. That's why it is called inverse function. We know the value of y, which is 1, where 1 is here. Look at the y axis. 1 is here. What is the possible value of input? For y value 1, look at x value here. X is 0. For 1, y value 1, x is 0. Therefore, f inverse of 1 is 0. F inverse of 1 is 0. So, our a is 0. That means f of 0 is equal to 1. So, a is 0. F inverse of 1 is 0. That means when input is 0, our output y value is 1. Inversely, that means when output is 1, our input is 0. Let's go to second question. Second question, the function f of x is invertible. Find f inverse of negative 8 or f inverse of minus 8. The function is given here. Use the graph. Look at this function on the graph properly, f of x. You have to find f inverse of negative 8. You have to find f inverse of negative 8. Here our output, that is y value, is negative 8. So look at the y value, negative 8. So this intersects negative 8 here. The function is happening here. This line, negative 8, is happening here. This is our output. So you have to find, this is our y value, negative 8. You have to find input, that is our x value for this negative 8. 1. So possible input is 1. So for negative 8, that is for output, our input is 1. So f inverse of negative, therefore our inverse function f inverse of negative 8 is 1. See you in the next video. Bye bye.